hallway with a video game down there. He always does. That's very weird. And the glow is red. Hey, it's the old animatronic from the first game. Guess I should be quiet a bit. What does that mean? We have a place for it. Oh my god, what is that? Animatronic. Oh my gosh.